When you say a word is semantic, it means that the word has a clear, defined meaning. Similarly, in web development, semantic HTML elements describe the type of content they enclose and the role they play in the structure of a web page. Semantic tags are HTML elements that convey the meaning and the purpose of the content they enclose. Unlike non-semantic tags like div and span, which only define generic blocks or inline elements, semantic tags provide clear, human-readable descriptions of their role in a web page, making it easier for browsers, search engines, and screen readers to interpret the content. They help enhance accessibility, search engine optimization, aka SEO, which we will learn in the future, and overall content organization. For example, if we use header or footer, by the way, they are both semantic elements. Anyone reading the code immediately knows these sections are the top and bottom of your web page. And as the tags we learned in the previous lessons, the H1 to H6 tags define headings and represent the hierarchical structure of the content on the web page. So they are semantic tags. The P tag represents a paragraph used to group text content into logical blocks. It is also a semantic tag. But the div tag itself does not carry any semantic meaning. It is a generic container element used for grouping and structuring page elements. Now, I want to show you an image of a non-semantic layout. Here we have a bunch of div tags and one span tag, which is a non-semantic inline container. It doesn't convey any specific meaning about the content it wraps. Instead, it's often used for applying styles or manipulating specific parts of text or inline elements with CSS or JavaScript. So the browser or screen readers read this kind of code will not know what the part of code is supposed to represent. This lack of clarity can make it harder for assistive technologies and search engines to interpret the structure and the purpose of the web page. If you want to make this code more readable, more descriptive, you can rewrite with the semantic elements to make it like this. So the header tag, which is the header of the layout, nav tag, which is the navigation area, main tag, the main content area, section, the grouped area, article tag, which is publication area, aside, which includes sidebar or secondary content, and last, the footer, which defines the footer of the layout. So now it's much more semantic and descriptive. And it's just good practice to use these over divs and span. By replacing non-semantic elements like div and span with meaningful semantic tags, we can first make the code more intuitive, readable, and maintainable, and also can improve user experience for the readers, including those with disabilities. And finally, it can enhance the website's performance in search engine rankings. So next time you are building a web page, please ask yourself, am I choose tags that help users and machines understand my content better?